This particular watch has earned a very, very special place in history. The watch that went to the moon, the OMEGA SPEEDMASTER Moonwatch. In the mid-60s, the astronauts needed a watch to wear. So NASA went out and purchased various watches from Rolex, Breitling, Tag Heuer, or Heuer as they then were, I should say, and one or two others. After extensive testing, one watch and only one watch passed all their tests, the OMEGA SPEEDMASTER. It then became the watch that went to the moon, and only this watch has ever been to the moon. Quartz watch hadn't actually been invented when this watch came out, and an automatic wouldn't work because of gravity, so it had to be a hand-wound 24-hour movement. Chronograph movement, plexiglass instead of sapphire crystal. This watch, if they put a sapphire crystal on it, it wasn't the watch that went to the moon. It cannot be changed. What you're seeing here in the Speedmaster Moonwatch is the only way this watch comes. It has to be like this, otherwise you can't call it a Moonwatch. It never went to the moon. This one did. The only real difference is the Moonwatch had a very, very long Velcro strap on it to fit over the astronaut suits. And it's been my great privilege to have dinner with Eugene Kieran, the last man on the moon, who actually let me wear one of the watches that went to the moon. That was one of the highlights of my career, to be honest with you. Again, the most famous wearer of this watch, and there are many, many people who do wear this watch and will always have one in their collection. One of the men who went to the moon, Buzz Aldrin. The price of the OMEGA SPEEDMASTer Moonwatch is £3,520. Stunning looking watch. Absolutely beautiful looking. As I say, for me, probably the most historic watch in the market. It has a glass that will scratch, has a movement you have to wind. Why should you buy one? The reason being because it's one of the finest and most iconic watches in the world today. One version, one price, very easy choice. The OMEGA SPEEDMASTer Moonwatch.
Never miss a Burrells video by clicking the subscribe button.